Hi IPSY, I'm Victoria Beckham and today I'm answering a few questions that are in the bag. What was Posh Spice's must-have beauty product? Posh Spice always loved the perfect nude lip, and it was all about the perfect nude lip liner as well. As Posh Spice and even as Mrs. Beckham, and still deep down Posh Spice, my Posh lipstick and my lip definer are my key must-have products. What is your biggest self-care indulgence? Oh gosh, I love to have a facial, to really treat myself with a facial by Melanie Grant, my favourite facialist in the world. That's a real indulgence. I haven't seen her for a long time because we've been in lockdown, but definitely a facial with Melanie Grant. Where do you get your inspiration from? Goodness, inspiration is all around us, whether that's through travel or galleries or music. Inspiration is all around us all the time. We just have to make sure that we've always got our eyes wide open, and we have to be like sponges and absorb it. Who takes longer to get ready, me or David? I mean, I do. I like to wear more makeup. In your opinion, what makes the perfect mascara? Future Lash is the perfect mascara I've been searching for, but could never find. So we created it. It's my perfect lash look. Ultra black, fluttery, lifted and lengthened. The clean formula is key, especially for the sensitive eye area, and it actually nourishes and conditions your lashes. It's long wearing with no smudging or flaking, but it rinses away with just warm water. Holy Grail product. My holy grail product is Bitten Lip Tint. I use it on my lips and on my cheeks for the perfect subtle flush, and it doesn't transfer onto my mask. That is key. Thank you for watching In the Bag. I hope you learned more about me and Victoria Beckham Beauty.